Hello artists, today we are going to have some fun folding paper. We're going to make this really cool radial design using origami. You're going to need a piece of paper as your base, about 12 by 12 inches, and a whole bunch of smaller origami papers, about 3 by 3. And you're going to need some glue and probably a little bit of patience. We're going to make a radial design. That's a design that sort of starts in the center and works its way out. It's a pattern that you see in nature a lot. Our work is also symmetrical, which means we could cut this in half either way and it would all still be the same. It's like it mirrors each other. Now I only had big origami paper, so I just cut my pieces into 4 to make it smaller. I'm going to start showing you a fold that's really super easy. It's called the hat fold. I simply fold my square in half and I give it a nice crease when I fold it. Then I take one corner and fold it down along the edge. I do that on the other side and voila, you've just completed your first folded piece. Super easy. Alright, we're going to put that aside and I'm going to show you another fold. The fold I'm going to show you this time is called a kite fold. So I'm going to take the paper and fold it this time corner to corner, so we're making a triangle. Again, give it a nice tight crease, and then I simply fold up one edge, folding it along that middle line, and you'll see really quickly that it forms the shape of a kite. That's why it's called the kite fold. Alright, so that's 2 different folds that we can use. Now there's one more that might be a little trickier. It's called the samurai fold. And again, you fold it into a triangle. Just give me a second here. Alright, fold it into a triangle, give it a nice little crease there, open it up, turn it, fold it into a triangle again. One more time. It's really important that you give it a nice firm crease when you do that. Now you can open it up. This time I'm folding it the other way, horizontally. Now when I open it back up, something really cool happens. When I just sort of pop up that center, it folds into a little triangle quite easily. If you've done it correctly, it'll pop in really simply. Now I'm going to fold over that edge until it hangs down just a little, and do the same with the other side. It's a little bit trickier. There we go. And that's called a samurai fold. Alright, so now you have 3 different folds to work with to make your design. Alright, now it's time to get busy folding. You're going to want to make your shapes in multiples of 4. So 4 or 8 or 12 of each of these shapes. That'll help us keep our work symmetrical. Now I'm going to create my base. I fold my paper in half, give it a nice crease, open it, turn it, do the same thing. Now I'm going to fold it corner to corner to make triangles. Again, making those creases. Those crease lines are going to be our guide to help us keep our work symmetrical. Now I arranged all of my pieces without gluing them first, so I could be sure that they were where I wanted them to be. I think it's a good idea because you don't want to stick something down and then decide you don't want it there. So once you have everything sort of sorted and arranged, then you start carefully gluing all the different pieces down. I hope you have as much fun with this project as I had making it. I actually made a whole bunch of them because I really love them. All right, it's time for you guys to get to work now. Have fun and stay creative.